Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe Holmes and I'm here to unbox a product that I bought from Fresh, and it's a divider for the back of the bed. And I already have one that I purchased directly through Tesla. When I purchased the vehicle, they gave us a credit and I used part of the credit to purchase one. But I always wanted to, because I have a toolbox and I wanted to hold the toolbox against the tailgate to make it a little bit more secure. I'm using some bungee cords right now and I don't really like that. So come on this way. Let me get up here and I'm going to show you the old one first. Okay, so hopefully you can see this is the original one from Tesla. It's kind of sloped right now because it's not really kind of secured in place. To lift, you lift this up and then you would put it down like that, and it's got some little indentations here where you would install this, and there you go, and make it secure against the wall there to hold everything. The difference between this one and the one that I purchased from Fresh are, if you see the feet down here, these are kind of permanent feet. The other one has it where you can adjust it, which is probably a little bit better. And I'm going to get down, we're going to unbox that one, and then I'll bring it up here and show you. Get down here without killing myself. So anyway, this is the box that it came in. Comes with instructions. The instructions are really basic. I don't know that you need any. It's got two tools that it comes with, and that's to adjust the feet down at the bottom. You can see here these 2 feet. And then why don't you zoom in over here, you can see the actual feet that are there. And that's the difference between this one and the other one up there. So let's pull this one out. Okay, so you can see this basically looks the same. It's got these 2 little indentations over here so that when I open it up in the middle, you can see that it kind of goes in and out there. And that's what's going to hold it in place. And then I should be able to adjust it with the feet at the bottom to make it hold a lot better than that one's holding, because it kind of slips at the bottom there. So let me get back up there and we'll put it in. Okay, I don't think there's a right way or a wrong way to install this. It just literally goes in between here, and then you find exactly where you want it to go. And as you can see here, it's a little bit farther down. So what I'm going to have to do is going to have to take these feet and put them up so that you can see that it'll fit in there hopefully perfectly. Try to get it as close as you can, then you can adjust it afterwards. And of course this one looks like it's just too high. There we go. There we go. So that's how it's going to fit. And I want to put my toolbox here, which is the reason I'm doing this, to hold it there so that it doesn't slide back when I have the tailgate closed. It's obviously not going to slide forward. So I just need to put it right where the 2 screws are going to be going into each side. So right there and right there, and then that should be a perfect fit there. Again, you're gonna want to come down here and adjust this so that it's perfect height. And you can see that it's on there tight. And the same thing on the other side. You want to adjust it so that it's perfectly tight and being held right there. See how strong that is? So that's perfect. And again, put this back here so that it doesn't go anywhere. And I'm probably going to tighten those up a little bit more, but that's it. That's what I was looking for. That's what I wanted to do with this. And it's that easy to install. So thank you. Make sure you share and